Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about string slicing. How string slicing works. Upcoming slides we see. Okay, very important concept. Keep watching this video till the end. Okay, I will clarify all your doubts through this video. So please keep watch this video until the end. So start. Go move to the next slide. So what is the slicing? Slicing means divide the string. Okay, string means that is a collection of characters. So how could you divide the string into multiple number of words? That is generally called a string slicing. Suppose if you want to extract some portion or some part of that particular string, how could how could you extract that particular part of that particular string? That is called a string slicing. Slice means, what is the meaning of slicing? Slicing, general meaning of slicing means you cut it. Okay, you 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 divide the string to the multiple parts. Fine. So here we are taking as a specific starting index and end index to separate with a colon. Okay, to return part of the string. How it will going to be done? We see through in practical work, which will help you how it is going to be done. Okay, that is called a string slicing. Fine. So let's begin. So first we have to create a file, string slicing .py. Okay, string slicing. Suppose I have taken an example of one variable that is assigned to the string data. Suppose there is a text. We assign hello world. Fine. Now print text txt range from 2 used to 3. So it print beginning from 2. That's a single character is going to be returned, that is L. Okay, and the end index is not going to be calculated and not going to be picked a particular character. The beginning index is included, end index is called as a excluded or exclude. Means you understand how it is going to be work. Suppose I have to retain as a 7. So it is beginning from 2, second index. Our counting is second index means the counting starts from 0. See, counting starts from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means here is starting from LLO space W. Okay, so let's see what is output is comes out. LLO space W. Fine, it's what we are taking as assumption, what we are going to be in verbally we are going to be see that thing, and it is written to you, that is LLO W. Fine. Then next, suppose I want to start from beginning. Okay, from beginning you can start from this particular inclusion. Okay, the beginning is absent. Okay, the beginning index is going to be absent. The and the end index is present, that is 7. So it is comes out hello W space with W, hello space with W. Okay, so this is the way. If you want to remove the end index and beginning from 0. Okay, so how could it return? See, hello world. It comes out to entire text. It comes out the entire text. When beginning is present, end is absent, it include all the characters. If beginning is absent and end is present, it beginning absent means it will starting from 0, end, and the end index is the end point where you can stop the counting, fetching the characters from that particular string. Okay, 0 to 7. What is the meaning of 0 to 7? 0 means beginning and 7 means you have to starting from 0 to 6 index you count as a 1 characters. Fine. So this is the way. So here we go for the slide, and next what are the present, slides from the start. Yes, we leaving the out of starting index, the range of will start from the first character. Yes, slice from the end, beginning index is present, end index is absent. Negative index. So what is negative index? This is very interesting concept. You first know how negative index is calculated or counted as. Suppose there is a character. Fine, I will taken as a yes. Suppose there is a character. Fine, A S D F. Otherwise, you taken as a hello world. Hello. So when you counted as a H as 0, you know H is 0. Then 1 E, then 2, then 3, then 4. Fine, you know the 0 index is belongs to H, 1 index belongs to E, 2 index belongs to the L, 3 index belongs to the L, 4 index belongs to the O. So counting starting from the 0, you know, if you don't know why we counting starting from 0, because the string is belongs to one concept is called a array. Concept is called array. If you are a beginner in programming language, or if you are a beginner to learn or start from the Python as a first language, then you keep remember there is concept called array. Array is a collection of similar types of elements. So here text txt is a variable which is a collection of similar types, that is all the characters and enclosed in a double quote. Enclosed in a double quote. So how you can read the characters? You read the characters by help of the indices, by help of the index. So for reading the character, for beginning index is should be the 0, then next index should be the 1, then upcoming index 2, at the end it will return you less than length. Okay, it returns you less than length. Suppose your hello is counted as a 5 characters. Hello counted as a 5 characters. So your last character index should be the less than length. Length here is 5. 5 minus 1, that is going to be 4. So here O is present at a fourth index. O is present at a fourth index. Now how could we represent this thing as a negative? When you go counted as a negative, here counting start from -5 belongs to H. Fine, then -4 belongs to, that is E, then -3, that is belongs to L, then -2 belongs to L, then -1 belongs to O. Okay, -1 is belongs to the O. You understand? Means the counting starting from the -5 to -1. Fine. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so when you extract on the negative indices, so how could your extraction is going on? So beginning is the smaller index value as a negative form, that is a 5, and the end will the -1. Okay, the upper limit of negative value. Then when you going to be run, it return to the WORLD. Okay, WORLD. Sorry, there is some wrongly I told you. So there is counted as a WORLD, -5 to -1. -5, -4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh yes, yes. Okay, I will taken as a simple hello. Okay, I taken as a simple hello, but the index counting starting from here -5. So from -5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But there here is the hello world is a one string. Hello world is a one string. That's why I remove that world and simple remain the hello world. Okay, hello world. and in that word I taken as an example from beginning as a, if you positive direction, if you move towards the positive direction, that is beginning as a 0 to the 4, means less than size -1. If you moving as a negative direction, that is starting from -5. Why? The length is 5, that's beginning is a 5 to the -1. The end character, that is O, it is end, that is end of the character, that is going to be the written as a -1. So when I going to run it, it returns the hello. Why it is not returned to the O? Because -1 is excluded. Okay, -1 is excluded. If you include the -1, you given as a 0. Okay, you given as a 0. So it return you nothing. Why? Because 0 is not index is present here. No index is present here. Fine. So you have to remember this, -5 to -1 means your beginning will be -5, end will be the -1. So if you run it, it will not return you HELL. And in your mind there is coming out, how could I print O? Okay, there is a question comes out in your mind, how could I print the O? You can print the O. So how this particular include operations work, means how this particular operation is going to be work, I will giving you a separate tutorial how these members are going to be used. Okay, how the counting members are generally present, because these are the index. Okay, inclusive index, exclusive index. Okay, so how you can extract the range of characters. Okay, so if you want to calculate the range of characters, this is the best way you calculate the range of characters. But uh, here I will giving you a small example, but upcoming time there is a concept called a list. Inside that list concept you will learn about more deeply how this a particular range of characters we can extract, the range of numbers we can extract through this index value. Okay, so -5 to -1 means HELLO, but O is going to be excluded. Fine. You understood how Python string slicing is going to be work. Okay, you mostly use the positive integers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want sometime as a negative integers, how could be the calculations? The calculations beginning is the length, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's going to be print. Fine, you understood. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type your doubt there. Fine. If you understand this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and click on the bell icon. When I upload the video, you will get the notification. Thank you.